Alright guys, this is the new AMD RX 6400 graphic card that arrived today, and as you all see, powered on the PC, and I'm gonna install the card now. So I don't really have nobody to record for me, so I have to do everything myself. So I'm just gonna open the card, show y'all. It's pretty small, as you can see. So I'm gonna try to install this now, right? So this is the new card that came here, and yeah, this is the low profile, the little screws and stuff that came with it. It has another screw. Yes, the next screw there, brand new. So I'll be back to show you how I'm installing this, right? Okay. Guys, as you all see, I unplug it, right? So I have to pull this and then take out the case, and then there we see the space to put the graphic cards, right in that space right there. Alright, so yeah, so I'm gonna install it now. Yeah, so I'll be back, right? Alright guys, I screwed all the parts, as you see. Now I'm gonna install the low profile card. Alright, so it's pretty simple guys, and I'll be back. Okay. Alright guys, this is me now screwing the graphic card. I'm gonna put the next screw here. I'll put the next screw right here. Sorry guys, this is a little complicated here. For the fact, so we'll get it. Guys, so I cannot show you everything, but that's the graphic card there. I managed to install it, as you see. So I believe it's installed there, and then I'm gonna test it on now. Sorry I cannot show you everything. I know this unboxing video will be the best, but I try my best. This is the card here guys. So I'm just gonna put in this part here and then close back up the slot guys. So this is the part here installed, and then we're gonna test everything now. Alright, so I'll be back. Guys, the graphic card is installed, as you can see. I'm now updating the driver. Sorry I cannot show you the whole installation, but I'll show you that the card wasn't there. So as you can see behind here, just take this out a little bit. The card is right there, right there. So yeah, I'm gonna installing the drivers now, and then I'm gonna test some games guys. So I'll be back.